Hey people, what is up and welcome back to another video. So right now we are in the middle of kind of a forest. You can't see anything. Without this light I can't see anything too. We are shooting some amazing light exposure shots, long exposures. They are turning out really cool. My friend Ravi is with me. Ravi, say hi. Where are you?
Hi.
So that's our weapon, the tripod. We are literally out nowhere, and it's really risky to be here, but still we are doing it for the long exposure shots. Actually, we came here for the astrophotography, but the climate is very upsetting. It's full of clouds. We are not going back empty handed, and that is exactly what we are doing. Let me show you how we are shooting them. Usually in the long exposure shots they use all the lightsabers and all those things. We don't have any of them, so what we thought instead is I was using the iWatch's flash, and here is our camera setup pointing at nowhere. That is what we can literally see. Pitch dark, and the sky is upsetting as always. We've checked the weather app and it says all clear, but right now it's quite disappointing. So here are the quick settings that I used for the long exposure shots. Exposure at 30, f3.5, go to the lowest aperture as possible to capture more light, and white balance at -2, and also the ISO at 1250. I've been juggling between 1250, 1600 and 2000 for different shots, and I think the best is according to your situation. You should take control of the camera. So it is basically like this, right? If your aperture is too low, put down your ISO too, because it will allow more light to capture, and ISO need not bump in that extra light for the sensor to capture. If your aperture is high, go for a little higher aperture. So it's all about trial and errors. Astrophotography and long exposure shots, it's all about trial and error. You decide what you are going to be on. And here are some sample shots that I shot. I'll post them full soon. So the watch that I've used, this is how it turned. Amazing. Okay, soul left out of the body shot. So for a quick 10 seconds he was there, and for another 5 seconds he was standing beside. So that gave this nice amazing effect of the body, soul leaving the body. It's already 3 a.m. in the morning. Nature is not with us today, and I think I'm gonna wrap it up for this vlog. Shot some good and long exposure. At least we've made use of some time and I've not wasted much of it. No luck with the sky. It's all clouds above there. That's all from the sweaty face, and I'm wrapping it up for tonight. Oh sorry, it's morning. It's 3:10 a.m. in the morning. Thank you for watching this video. Have an amazing rest of the day.
The city, but I am tired of the same people, of the same things. I want to escape now to another place now, but with you, 'cause I don't want to be alone. Tell me if you want to follow me now, to follow me. Take me to your arms and never leave me. Don't leave me, boy. Tell me if you want to follow me now, to follow me. Take me to your arms and never leave me. Don't leave me, boy.
We did a bit of a trek. It looks absolutely scary to get down, but yeah, what not for astrophotography. This place looks absolutely vacant, but I hope there are some interesting field of views from here. So okay, yesterday also I came, but it was all full of clouds. There was nothing that I could actually do. The thing is, when we are coming in the night time, it is absolutely pitch dark, and there's nothing that we can see. So I thought, why not come in the morning and do a bit of a recce or scouting and decide where to put your camera. So this is one place that we really loved. The geology of this sand formation looks interesting because It has a mix of sand, red sand, and a lot of pebbles. I don't know where these pebbles came from, but there are some interesting pebbles that got mixed with this sand mountain. Let me just take a peek. Ouch! So yeah, take a look. Any geologists out there? I don't know how is this possible? Look at them. Look at the amount of marbles. These are not marbles, they are some sort of geoid stones. I don't know what they are called, but this definitely looks interesting to me. Just in 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes, dark clouds formed all around and they are surrounding us. Yeah, there are a bit of wake. Whoa! It's kind of scaring us since last few minutes, but hear the sounds out for you guys. Whoa, there's lightning too. Wow! Hey, आजा वो लगेत रे. But hopefully it will all just restrict to lightnings and thunders. So this side it's completely blocked. Wow, did you just capture that? I hope the phone did capture that. The birds are getting scared, I guess. They're just shouting and flying here and there. So this side, whoa. This side it's still open, but this is the mega dark cloud. Why God, it started raining. There the downpour is evident. Like that's rain. Okay. And here also it started raining. Ooh. Why? Now the task is to get down this. There is the road. Visually it doesn't seem to be much, but this is definitely not gonna be easy, especially considering that it's raining. If the soil loses its strength, we might gonna just slip down. But hopefully there are good signs that the rain is ceasing a bit. Winds are quite strong, guys. This is definitely an adventure. Okay. Wore a white t-shirt and this is getting shit. There is the boy. Ravi! He's what? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We should find a shade and keep the camera there. So it just got intense. We stopped by a current office, which is a substation here, and yeah, there is a boy. We are just standing here. That's completely wet. The winds are quite strong. Oh my god, this is just getting crazy. Look at the wind speed. The raindrops on the lens, but not happening, guys. Not happening.
I like the city, but I am tired of the same people, of the same things. I want to escape now to another place now, but with you, 'cause I don't want to be alone. Tell me if you want to follow me now, to follow me. Take me to your arms and never leave me. Don't leave me, boy. Tell
same people.